Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Ecology Lab. In this lab, we will be studying natural selection via predation pressure and its impacts on natural phenomena. In order to accomplish this, we will be performing an observational study on gall flies and the wasps and birds that predate them. We will then compare this data using Excel and a statistics program called SPSS. Here we can see two histograms, one showing the petal length of cherry trees and one showing the height. On the y-axis of both histograms, the frequency is displayed. This means the number of cases in the respective lengths and heights. On the x-axis, we have both the lengths and heights. So to read these, we can see that there are roughly 25 cherry tree petals that are 1 to 1.5 centimeters long, and there are 10 cherry trees that are 75 to 80 feet tall. Histograms are also a useful way to visually display the central tendency of data. And central tendencies refers to where the data typically clusters together. In these two histograms, that would be petal lengths with around 1 to 2 centimeters, as well as 4.5 roughly to 6 centimeters, and then also cherry trees with a height of 70 to 85 feet. Now, central tendencies can also be described with the mean, median, and mode of the data. However, not all data can be expressed properly through these due to extremes in the data. The mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of cases. The median is the middle value of all cases in order, and the mode is the most frequent value. Mean can be thrown off by these from the central tendency by extremes in the data set, and median, since it is the center of the data, is not always reflective of the central tendency in bimodal data sets where you have data on both sides of the extreme. And mode, being the most frequent value, does not always represent the central tendency. Histograms are also useful because they can tell us how much variation there is in each data set. So for length of the petals, that would be 6.5 centimeters, and for the height, that would be 30 feet.